How to use Interac verification service. To get started, you'll need a Canadian bank account with a participating financial institution and access to online banking through your financial institution. On the service provider's website, choose the Interac verification service option. Select your financial institution from the list of participants. You'll then be redirected to your financial institution's online banking login page. Enter the username or user ID and password you use when you sign in to online banking. It's important to note that Interac doesn't have access to this information. The next step is to review the information you're consenting to share. You may be prompted to share additional information, such as your credit profile, if required by the requesting organization. You will need to confirm your consent. Once verification is complete, you'll be redirected back to the service provider's website to begin using it. Learn more at interac.ca.